Whenever we are creating multi-level roofs, it is always important to first check at which level you're creating the roof before proceeding with it. To demonstrate this, let us take the example of these two identical buildings for which we are assigning a roof at the top story, the elevation of each being 5700 mm above the ground level. Let us start with this building. You can see that since we are in the building mode here, we are unable to activate the roof creation tool. To do so, we must go to the floor level to create it. Let's say that for the first building, we are creating this upper roof in the ground floor level. I click on select floor and I select ground floor. I go to architecture, select roof, and then define the outer boundaries of my gable roof. I make the appropriate changes and then I select apply. Now, since I want this roof to be at the upper level, I simply type in 5700 so that when I go back to the building mode, I can see that this roof has attached itself at the correct level. However, let us now try to attach these walls to its roof. When I select architecture now, I can see that the attach wall tool is grayed out because we are in the building mode. And when we click on the first floor, you can see that the first floor roof is not visible for us to edit. This is only possible if we go to the ground floor. And now, the first floor walls will not be visible for us to attach the roof. This is why it is important to ensure that whenever we are creating a roof at a multi-story level, we must make sure it is in the same floor level as the walls that we are attaching to this roof. Now, let us take the example of the second building. Let's say we are going to the first floor, and now we will use this first floor to create the roof. We will create the same roof, define its angles, and select apply. Now you can see that this roof is in line with its first floor walls so that we can edit both of them together. Now, when we click on architecture, we can see that the attach walls tool is activated and we can use this to select the correct walls and attach them to the roof. Therefore, we are able to do for the second building for which we are unable to do for the first building. This is how we create multi-level roofs on Infurnia simply by keeping the correct floor level in mind before drawing the roof.